Hello everyone, do you want to know how to vamp Makossa on keyboard? Watch this tutorial, you will learn it. Let's get to it. Let me stop here and break it down. So I'm doing this video on the key of F. That's your... I'll still doing it on the key of C for those people that play only the C, because this video tutorial is for the beginners. Some people don't know how to vamp on keyboard for Makossa for beginners. When I started playing the keyboard, this was among the first things I learned on keyboard. This vamping. It's very simple. So I'm playing F. This is your Do, Fa. These are the chords involved in this very vamping. Your Do, Do, Fa, Fa, Do, 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 So, So, Do, Do, Do. I'll break it down more. Do, 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 So. 1, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1, 1, 1, 5, 5, 1, 4, 1, 5. That's just it. So, see, this is what I was playing. On my left hand, I was holding my F, G, F, A and your C. Same thing on my right. F, A and C. That's your Do, your root chord. In other words, your Do, Mi, So, Do, Mi, So, Do, Mi, So, Do, Mi, So, Do, Mi, So. That's the Do that I'm holding. So this was what I was playing, the first one. This one will be playing steady, following this very rhythm. Hope you're getting it. So, this one is steady. This one. Do. This one steady. Do. Hope you understand the reading. Do, fa, do, so, do, fa, do. So your fa here is your Do, Fa, your Do, Fa, La. In other words, your F, your A sharp or your B flat, then your D. Do, Fa, La, Do, Fa, La. Back to your 1. Then your So, here is your T, Re, So. In other words, your E, your G, and your C. Hope you're following. So this is the rhythm. I'm doing it slow so you get it. Hope you have gotten it. So another progression that you can use, let me play it. So this one is your do, fa, so, fa, do, fa, so, fa. Hope you gotten it. Your do, same with your do, mi, so, do, fa, so, fa, do, fa, so, fa. Hope you got the rhythm. This one is already steady. This one. Your left is steady, then your right is all together. You get. I just made it very simple so that you get it. As a beginner, this is how to vamp on keyboard. You can then switch it up. Instead of do, you do. Instead of do, you now do fa, so, fa. You understand? So that's this how to vamp on keyboard and sound very nice. So let me play the both progression and we'll call it a tutorial. One. So there you have it. This is how to vamp on keyboard. If you want to master this, you have to watch this tutorial over and over again till you get it. Practice and you get it. Thank you guys. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this very channel, please do it to like, subscribe, share, drop your comments. Thank you. God bless.